Hey y'all, Worx Guy here, back again with another Worx electric or battery powered lawnmower how-to video. Now this was Kendra asked, how do you start the Worx battery powered mower? Well, it's actually very simple. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you got your safety glasses on. You're in a safe and responsible location, no rocks or anything, just the grass that you intend to mow. You slide this over and you keep it held over. So you got to keep it pressed that way, and while you're doing that, you push this knob down. See, now it started. So that's how to start the Worx mower. And then to turn it off, you just let go of this handle. But see, if you don't have that pushed in and you do this handle, it's not going to start. That's a safety feature, but if you've never started or powered on a Worx battery powered lawnmower, you probably were confused and you're like, man, it doesn't start, or I pushed the button and it doesn't start. You got to push the button and keep it there and then do the handle. So I hope this video helped. If it did, subscribe, ring that bell, and check out all of my videos. And if it really helped, made you feel really good, feel free to send me a super thanks. Not required, but you can choose to click that thanks button down below this video, and that really helps to support my channel and videos like this one. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.
Hey y'all, Worx Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.